Hello everyone, I am Kate Cole. I am the CEO of Karma's Paradise, and today is the day one of my 7-day hair growth challenge. I had 10 spots available for a free 7-day hair growth challenge, and I wanted to vlog it so that everybody can see what they're missing out on and what to expect for the 90-day challenge that will start on June 1st. So I will be protective styling my hair, well, showing you one way to protective style your hair throughout the challenge. The key to protective styling is leaving your hair alone, low manipulation. You do not want to constantly be in your hair because that causes breakage, and breakage causes lack of length retention. So today I will be styling my hair. I had some flat twist in, curls is popping, y'all. But I will be I'll be doing some braids instead this time because I'll be having it up for a little bit to rock my hair. So to put my braids up, I will be using some Clove Water as my liquid. And I will be using my Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Growth Cream for my cream. And then I will also be using my Growth Cocktail for my oil. I have low porosity hair, so that means that product sits on my hair. So I have to use lightweight products in order to make sure that I'm penetrating my hair strands and keeping my hair moisturized and locking in that moisture. So I use the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and oil. So today I will be putting some braids in my hair that will be underneath a wig, headband wig. So I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and get that up. So I'm back, but I wanted to come on and do the last braid with you guys because I wanted to point out something because I am using a headband wig that is going to be my protective style for the next 3 months. And so I wanted to point out to you guys that I'm starting my braids back. That's why I chose the braids over the flat twist, because I'm able to start them back a little further, because this part, it'll be laid down with my, she's got it laid edge controls from Lash Maverick's Essentials. So I wanted to show y'all that. So I've sprayed my hair with the Clove Water. I'm finger detangling to make sure that I don't have any knots, anything holding up. And then I am going to go ahead and add my cream. And you want to make sure your hair is very moisturized, because this is going to be underneath your protective style. And you gotta still take care of your hair. Even though I'm gonna have on a headband wig, I want to make sure that my ends, especially my ends, because it's the oldest part of my hair, is very well moisturized and protected, because I want to retain my length. That's the whole purpose of protective styling, because you want to retain your length. So I'm starting back a little ways, because like I said, the front part will be shown. And this will also give you the clips, and I'll show you guys that when I show you the clips on the wig. That'll be the part that kind of be, the braids will kind of secure those clips. And then I re-moisturize my hair about once a week. So like Wednesday or Thursday. Well, today is Wednesday, so it'll probably be like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So probably like Saturday or Sunday will be when I re-moisturize. Make sure my ends are still protected. Make sure they're moisturized. And that's it. That is it. I probably could have settled for like 2 braids, but I did the 4. So that's fine. I'm also going to follow up with some mousse. And now I'm just tucking the braids in the back so that my ends are completely protected. So now it's been got late. I'm not going anywhere. So I'll do a different video for actually showcasing my edges, but for the sake of the rest of this video, I'm going to go ahead and try on my wig. Now this is the beauty right here. She is super gorgeous, y'all. So I conditioned her yesterday. And she also sent me the style and set foam, a sample of her style and set foam. So I'm gonna go ahead and it smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and run that through here as well. The conditioner's got it feeling soft and conditioned already. But I want to add when I say this smells so good, y'all, it smells so good. I want to make sure I add this in as well. Because you want to take care of her like she's your actual hair. Because if you take care of your wigs, they will take care of you. Because it'll keep your hair protected. And they won't even know that this isn't your hair. They won't even know. They won't even know. It just smells so good. See, I make sure I go shop with Lash Maverick Essentials. I will have her information in the description box. This is definitely defining those curls. It's also giving it kind of a wet and wavy look. So I like that. I like that. All right. So on top of, before you apply your wig on, you want to, oh, then my little braids came down. Okay. Let me get y'all back up. She sends a weaving cap along with the wig. I'm going to go ahead and place that on my head before I even put the wig on. So that's with the weaving cap on. I love that it's the one that's breathable. Now this wig, it has 2 caps on the sides. And then it's got, okay, 3. It's got 1 right here, 2 on the sides, and then 1 in the back. So I'm going to, let's see, I probably won't use this middle one in the middle because it's going to sit back. But I will use the sides. And then I'll use the one in the back so that it's secure. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. And then the band. And it covers the hair perfectly. Yeah, so if I want to put this up in the back or style it up, it's not going to look different. Like I said, so I'm not going nowhere. I'm not going to worry about putting another headband on, but you can definitely put another headband over this. But y'all, even without my edges done, y'all, I love this. Yeah, and it's, look, y'all. So y'all see it? I see it. And like I said, I can style it up because the band does cover the hair in the back. So I can style it different ways. And later on, I'll show, with my edges done, how it looks. But it's a look already. It's a look already. It's not heavy on my head. I can still feel like air. It's breathing. My scalp is still breathing even though it's covered. Like I said, I don't have to worry about this going nowhere. It's secure. And my hair is protected. So I'll keep it oiled every couple of days with my growth cocktail. Every 3 to 4 days, I'll go in with a cream and moisturize. I spray my Clove Water daily. Mostly at nighttime. I like to do it before I get in the shower because then I can do a scalp massage with it in. And I love the length. It's not too long. It's not too short. I'm in love. So this is it. This is what y'all gonna be seeing all summer. So let me know what you guys think. Please give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I appreciate it. I got some goodies coming for you guys. The first comments I will shout out on the next video. And it's a look. It is a look. So this was day 1 of the hair growth challenge. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys being a part of the KP family. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.